The GSS140 Orbital sander forms part of Bosch's professional range. It is a perfect sander for getting a fine sanding finish on all your projects. The 220 watt motor delivers 14,000 orbits per minute, and with a square flat base you can get a smooth and even finish on flat surfaces, in tight corners and along edges. It's lightweight at only 1.2 kgs and ergonomically designed with soft grip handles to be comfortable in any position. And with the impressively low vibration, user fatigue is drastically reduced. This sander has a very high dust resistance, meaning a durable machine with years of use. The power switch is accessible on the top of the sander and allows easy, continuous sanding, while the 2-meter cord length allows a further reach with more freedom. It takes 114 by 140 mm sanding sheets that are easily clamped into the padded base using the metal levers on the sides. Overall, a great sander for fine finishing jobs. Those are just one of the sanders available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.